Wait a minute. You got a billboard by Big Kahuna Burger, don't you?
Yeah. I got one there too, Zatoichi. Jungle Julia Lukai.
Stuntman Mike McKay.
Oh, good to meet you, Stuntman Mike. Now my friends and I are going to continue to get our weed on. Would you care for some?
Thank you, Julia. But just the same, no thanks.
Treat yourself.